Hey guys, so I'm back with another video. In today's video we are going to turn this wig, basically just kind of dye the roots and make the roots black, well darker. So right now I'm using Color Charm Wella 7G73 and I'm using the Color Charm Activating Lotion. Alright, by Wella, both by Wella. So it says 1 part to 2 parts. Alright. This is what it looks like when you mix it all together. I am going to start from the front. Let's hope this comes out okay. Please, let's hope this comes out okay. Now I'm doing it as delicately as I possibly can, so I don't go on. Alright, so this is so I'm just going over it. I don't know what the hell it's supposed to do, what color it's going to turn. Let's hope it turns a color. Not to get it on the lace, but still dye it. Oh, it's turning colors. Oh, it's actually turning colors. Okay, well, it's doing something. It's doing something. Alright, it's coming along. Wanted to know what you all have planned for the holidays. My holiday is going to be real simple. I'm just going to stay home because COVID is running rampant and I want no parts of her. No parts of her. I'm just going to mind my business, let her go one way and I'm going to go the other way. Okay. Now again, this wig was an old wig that was actually, it was a 613 wig that I dyed Arctic blue and hot pink. It was like a peekaboo effect. And then I said, alright, let me just try something else. Let me strangle these strands. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is just go check it out. Oh my gosh, it actually worked. Check it out. So I'm gonna leave this here for about 10 more minutes. Let it sit. Let me see if I can do this side too. Just a little over here. Alright, it came out pretty nice. Letting it air dry so we can see exactly how it's going to look when it's dry. Cool.